Atelier Le Marguet, 19e, bonjour.
It's so inspiring to visit and see all these workshops and what you guys are doing. It's like a dream.
We were very proud to show our unique savoir-faire. We assist freezer, and what is incredible is like it's all been done one by hand.
Visiting the studio, Virginie's face lights up when the samples first come, and it's so exciting to see.
Nous, c'est notre collection favorite, la Maison Métiers d'Art. C'est là où on peut enfin s'exprimer et montrer nos savoir-faire.
In Le Marguet, what is very great is like we have the feathers, but we also have the flowers, where we do all the camellia.
Did Gabrielle Chanel start with La Marguet making the classic camellia?
It was her favorite flowers.
How long does it take to learn how to make a camellia?
Minimum 5 ans pour pouvoir réellement savoir monter au millimètre près le camellia.
I think it's the only place in the world that has this tradition, this exists. It's just incredible.